Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about music generation on the go. Basically, whenever generally you give a prompt, it will take some time and generate a audio. In this case, this is a Lyria real time, but we are not talking about Lyria. Their latest model, this is coming under Google's DeepMind. You scroll down, there is something called Magenta model. So let's talk about this one. I already installed. First, let me run this one, then we can see about how to use this. So now come back here. This is my Magenta real time. Okay, so I'm running this one. So once I run this file, it will open, and yes. So of course you can, this I just customized just for fancy purpose. You don't need to do all this. You can directly download it, very pretty simple. But what is the special about this one? So at a glance, you might not understand, but if you're using iPad, there is a lot of keyboards, etc. Now let's see, I'm going to show you. Once you come here and start play, also you can tap it here, these arrow marks. So basically it reacts on the live. Okay? So whatever you want, you can give a prompt without delay. So you can go, the main thing here is we are talking in this video, this model. MR is the base, which is the main model which can run in your Mac. You don't need a higher, lower end version. Okay, you can install MRT2 small, which is a lower version, but which is not giving that great result. Let me show you here. Now I have selected this, which is fine, but if you want to get it very little more better, more accurate, better pick it the base model, MRT base model, which is roughly around 8 to 9 GB, which is totally fine, which can run in your system. Right now I'm using MacBook Pro M4. So let's talk about this one, how to install this one. So you can also, there is a multiple options because there is something called jam, which you just mostly like a playing around. You can upload your own audio prompts, or you can do on the go, you can move it. So let's say, let me pick bigger one. Or if you want to do it solo, here nothing happened, but you have to play it. Maybe you could try it and you can change it all this. But one thing is, this need a little bit more computational power, good RAM, higher RAM. You can see the frame delay whenever this happens. Generally, this happens even jam also. See how this is happening. For that, you have to close it, you have to run again. Then it clear out the cache, again it will start it. So now you can go and play it. So for that, you can start playing. This is one method. So for that, what I did, you don't need to do anything. Straight away come, I'll give a link about this entire Git link. This is the project. I forked this entire thing. You just come down and you can read about all this, what are the requirements. You should have a, if you want to build it your own customization, what you've seen, my name, etc., channel name, etc. But if you don't need, you can straight away and download from their website. And if you want to install, you just directly copy paste this one and run into your terminal. That's it. It can go and do it all, check it all your properties and everything. It can do it. Okay, what if I don't have anything? You can directly go here and download all these files. So which is directly builds, you can download and you can use them. I can also show you, but for everything, first time you need to download files. It's gonna take us some more time because whenever you download, the files will loading from the Hugging Face. You can come here and see this is the files. These are the file structure. Checkpoints will be somewhere inside here. You can see this somewhere around 9 point, almost 10 GB. This is the small version which we loaded here. So I would strongly suggest strictly use MRT2, which is a good. This is a state-of-art model, which is very faster, very good for experiments. If you are using your social media channels anywhere, if you don't need to buy a tracks, you don't need to go and try something around Suno. You can try Suno. Definitely, this is not better than Suno. That is for sure, but it is very good. You can customize so many things on the live. You don't need to wait. and come back here. Okay, let me show you now. This is the bundle I have downloaded from here. You can go and download it. Right now, you can download all these files. Now let me show how does it looks. Once you open, this is how it will get. You will get, right. What is this? This works with a prompt mixing. Basically, you setting up prompts. For example, now I'm going to set up here rain. I'm setting up here South Indian temple. Then I'm setting here, let's put it classical flute. Okay. These all are my prompts. Basically, it runs. Imagine there will be three tracks are generating simultaneously. Then the white one is if you move it here. For example, see here, as you go closer, these volumes will come into the forefront. The rest of things will automatically will reduce based on the proximity, length of the proximity. So for example, you want to place them. See, look here, they are almost 50-50. Generally, if you want to do this, you need to write it a lot of prompts or go to your tracks and reduce the volume. So there is a lot of things. When you generating at one shot, you can feel it. Basically, you can feel, I will show you that. You can feel, you can judge it. Once you're okay with that, then you can straight away generate an image. So for this, you need to generate you need to select MRT2 base model, which is the good one. Let's not download MRT2s. I just for this tutorial purpose, I kept it this one, but you don't need to do that. So now let's keep it different proximity and come here and start generate. So let's go towards the rain. So there is something called frame rate issue. This issue I fixed in my personal one. This is the downloaded one. So let's see now. Go back again here. So now I'm keeping here. So you can play a lot, something like that, which is prolonging more. You can see you're not seeing the frame rate drops. It can happen after some time, so that you can close it and rerun it again. So that's the reason I built this separate plugin, separate build. If you are feeling that if it is useful for you, if you have a higher system, that is definitely you don't need to do this. Directly you can go to the DeepMind and Magenta, you can download it, use it from there. If you need to optimize, you have to come here and download this one. And of course, if you want, you can do it. This I did it with a Claude Code. Let's come back now. Also, for example, you don't need to do all this. You can go and check some of the spaces. If you have a Hugging Face account, you can go here and directly straight away. See here, some people optimized using Onyx, etc., other models. But uh, for this, you should, if you want to experience full-fledged, you should have a pro account so that you will get allocated a lot of GPUs. Otherwise, you have to use with a very zero GPU. You have to wait it. Sometime it might not available. Let's see now. So this is again fixed backend. Literally, you can't tweak it around according to your requirement. Just come here if you want to do it. So go and check all these things. You can do it all this tweaks and experiments. Also, if you are a hardcore developer, if you are using a Claude, you can go on much more. You can optimize. But I did maximum. Yeah, that's pretty much about Magenta real-time model 2, which is really good. Let me know your opinions if you have any doubts or any questions about installation or running the model in your local PC. I'm happy to help you. And check the link below and download the code from the Git repo.